Engineering. We are representing a hospital management system as our PBL project. We are from Division E, Batch E1 and Group number 1. Next. We are 6 members of our group, in which Vedika Shrisagar, Jayesh Mahajan, Rudra Mahajan, Nandini More, Bhavna Mudgal, Pushpak Nikam. We are completed. We are completed all the term work and practical work in the subject-based learning. Satisfactory initiative. The Department of First Year Engineering as prescribed by MVP KBT COE College of Engineering in the academic year of 2021. Next, hospital management system. Content of our project: introduction, motivation, objective, information, new technologies, benefits, and conclusion. Introduction. अरे तू बघते. Introduction. COVID-19 is influencing every person in the world. Each and every countries are taking fundamental steps to decrease its effect. So our project is to analyze and improving a hospital management system with new ideas and techniques. Motivation. To seeing a current situation of novel coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic, we have realized that our hospital management system is not working efficiently due to lack of technologies and resources. Second, in support of the ongoing fight against this infectious disease, we are motivated to analyze problem of HMS and discovering new technologies, innovations so which can help the health organization system as well as patients. Next, objectives. We are making a project including survey, solution, reading, and analysis of records. Second, we will introduce new features with new ideas, with new experience of learning. So, for further, what is hospital management system? Further, Jayesh will explain you.
Thanks, Mano. So, first, start what is the hospital management system? Hospital management system is the system that helps by the computer system. It helps to manage information related to health care and jobs. It provides effectively also. So, hospital management system, all data related to the departments of healthcare and like lab, clinical materials are also used. So, next, technologies are used in hospital management system. Next, first, disinfection cleaning. Disinfection cleaning are most important in our hospital management system. So, that thing, the cleaning robo are used in hospital management system. The cleaning robo are named as Mr. Mim. In COVID situation, if you have the kinds of robots, then no viral disease can affect the worker and it contaminated zone. So disinfection cleaning robo are most important in our hospital cleaning. So the cleaning robo is used in small and large areas simply by driving by depending on the exposure. The Mr. Meme robo can kill 99.9% or more pathogens such as MRS and CRA. It has disseminated all. So next slide will be Nandini. Thank you.
Subject based HMS. It is used for electronic medical record or electronic health record. Task based HMS is used to associate tasks and responsibilities to design staff, such as admission, charge collection, or preparing discharge report. Next. a hospital information management software with an integrated information system designed to manage the administrative, financial, and clinical aspect of hospital. Our hospital management software gives you user interface in all languages, easy to use by a one-click switch between languages, ideal for managing hospital chains all around the world. Next, patient healthcare. Patient healthcare is an important part of HMS. Commonly, we see that the nurses take care of patients, but in COVID pandemic, we notice that nurses who deal with the COVID patient also get infected by it. Therefore, the for protect to protect medical staff, we can use robotic medical assistants and monitor patients' vital statistics. It will reduce workload and increase efficiency. Then further PPT will be explained by Vedika.
Thank you, Nandini. Here are medical things delivered. That is, Zipline is an American medical product delivery company. The drone features a quickly replace battery for rapid turnaround between flights. It has an inner carbon fiber frame and an outer polystyrene shell. The wingspan has a length of 12 feet. It has a dual propellers for redundancy and can fly safely with only one operating propeller or motor. In addition to each other redundant system, a parachute can be deployed that will bring the drone to the ground if a larger set of faults occur. Next. Patient rooms in hospital. Hospital room design has a significant impact on patient care and recovery outcomes. Patients rely on staff to respond to emergency situations, quickly check in on them frequently, and ensure a full recovery. However, staff can only treat patients effectively when they can perform their tasks efficiently and have equipments and supplies that are easily accessible. Next. Now further PPT will be explained by Rudra.
Mass detection robot. These are mass detection robot which detect the face wearing mask or not. The robot can also detect the social distancing. Many countries around the world have enacted laws mandating to wear face masks in public places. This applies not only to indoor spaces, shops, school, colleges, airports, but also to open area gatherings. Outdoor robots. AIRS 5.2 series can assign human in preventing them from getting COVID-19 infection. This is accomplished when robots identify people without a face mask and warn them about the possibilities of receiving a fine. Next. Patient care plan. A care plan consists of three major compounds: the case detail, the care team, and the set of problems, goals, and tasks from the care plan. In this, we can make a team which you guide the patient as their requirements and needs. Next PPT explained by Pushpa.
Due to some technical problem, Pushpak is not explaining a PPT. So the benefits of HMS are speed up the operational process. It digital the medical records, one stop of for communication, manage resources, finance and account management, help create market strategies, manage insurance claim, save time, self-service for patients, and excellent customer services. Conclusion of our PPT, our project is a hospital management system is a great way to boost the hospital's productivity and efficiency. It also helps to reduce the workload and burnout rates. According to a Springlink research, hospital that have integrated HMS faced a 19% to 20% reduction of workload. They also noticed that HMS has streamlined their workflow and increased customer satisfaction. Even though software management system for sale and are ready for commercial use, they do not grant the same level of customization that specially designed software does. Building a customer HMS with further required by your organization is a great idea. We have the required skills as well as experience developing software for the healthcare industry. Next, that's all. Our presentation will be stopped here. Thank you for listening.